Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing all the recipes which I prepared on the first day of the year, that is New Year. Happy New Year to everyone once again. Today I will share how to easily prepare puri without rolling with the rolling pin. Also tips for making nice puffy puris. At first in the morning I prepared cake, that is only frosting I did in the morning. With the whipping cream I did frosting. Many times I have shared how to make frosting, and these cakes I prepared couple of days before itself and kept it in the fridge. Always keep cakes in the fridge this way, wrapped in the cling foil. Nothing will happen. It will stay fresh for at least a week. Today it's not a tutorial for making cakes or even for doing frosting, but I will show you the simple way of doing beautiful frosting, which already detailed video is there on my channel about Russian piping tips, which I will be using again today with whipping cream. You can see first layer of coat. After that I kept it in the fridge, and again I am now going for the second layer. Again it will go inside the fridge, and we will prepare all the things we need for the frosting. First we need the piping tips, we need color, and we need piping bags. Piping tips, I will be using two tips over here. One is for leaf. I will take one leaf tip, and these are the colors I will be using. These are gel colors. One is pink and green. According to the design you're going to do, you choose that. And this is the tip today I will be using from my piping tip collection. It's a very nice, beautiful piping tips. Lot of different types of flowers you can make with this piping tip. This is Russian piping tips. I bought it from Amazon. Of course, you can also go and check on Amazon, or if you want, I will leave the link in the description box also. I will leave the link of the piping tips, that is Russian piping tips, how to use and make beautiful flowers with buttercream. I will leave the link. It is very detailed video on my channel. Now today I will be doing with the whipping cream. I wanted to try and see whether these flowers come out nicely in whipping cream also. To go very simple, I have chosen only one single color, and you can see the mistake now I have made. After every flower you should wipe the tip, otherwise you will end up making wrong flowers like how I have done on the third flower. Again and again I was trying to do, it was not coming out. Then I remembered that we should clear the tip, then only you will get best flowers. Every 2 or 3 flowers you should wipe the tip. And after doing this frosting, I came to know that the flowers are nice and firm with buttercream. If you are going to keep the frosting for 2 to 3 days ahead of time you're making and keeping and all, buttercream is best. But it came out so nice with whipping cream also, but it is not as firm flowers like how you will get in buttercream. Now I am preparing green neon color for leaves. These neon colors, that is gel colors, are very mild and very beautiful colors they are. One more important thing is, for doing these kind of frosting for the cake and all, using whipping cream, you should use non-dairy whipping cream. That only will give nice stiff peaks and stiff flowers. As I am trying with whipping cream, I just kept myself very simple with one single color flower. Otherwise double color flowers and all will be very nice in this Russian piping tips. Go and check the link which I have given in the description box for sure. After completing, I will keep this in the fridge, and let's get started making the brunch for today. You can see the weather is rainy over here, but still the temperatures are low only. We are having snow in couple of days. Today we are going to prepare aloo masala for puris and also Kheema masala. So I have just kept all the alus in the pressure cooker. Until then we will wash the keema. This whole tray of 1.5 kg of keema I have defrosted it. Half I will use for making the keema masala today and half I will make koftas for upcoming week to make kofta curry. For keema, I have taken salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder, little bit of pepper powder, garam masala powder and chaat powder. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it to marinate for a little while until we prepare other things. Meanwhile, our potatoes are also nicely boiled, peeled and keep it aside. Now we will start cooking with our keema masala. The rest of the remaining keema I will make nice kofta balls. Fully koftas will be well done and I will keep it in the freezer. In a cooker I have taken enough oil. To that I have added enough onions and fry them until golden brown. To that I will be adding the nicely marinated seasoned keema, that is our minced meat. Nicely roast the keema. It will start leaving its own liquid in some time. To that I am adding chopped tomatoes. Along with that I will be adding potatoes and green peas. So we will be preparing keema, aloo and matar masala. Now you can see the keema has released its own liquid. Now nicely give it a good mix and also check your salt and cover the cooker and cook it for 2 steams. Now let's start making aloo masala. This is also a very different recipe. Closely watch the ingredients. In an open pot, take enough oil. Little extra oil only we need for this recipe. To that I am adding urad dal, mustard seeds, curry leaves followed by onions. Onions should be little extra. Then I will be adding little bit of turmeric powder and nicely give it a good mix. With the help of salt you can fry the onions little bit quickly, so I have added salt also. Now I am adding tomatoes and green chilies. Normal green chilies only will be very nice, but I am running out of green chilies, so I added jalapenos. This is the secret ingredient, that is 2 tablespoons of besan. This will give the exact taste like how it will be in the restaurant. Keep water handy by the side. Quickly you should add water and keep roasting that besan, otherwise it will stick and it will become very lump like it will become. As you keep mixing, add water, and when the water comes to boil, add the boiled potatoes. Today I am making in large quantities, so I have added 2 tablespoons of besan. Otherwise 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon is more than enough. Always keep mixing and also check the salt again and add enough water, 1 more bottle of water, and mix it well. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it in low flames. Even on the other side keema is also ready. Here the keema for the koftas are also ready. I will prepare koftas and fry them nicely and freeze them. This is for the upcoming week. One day I will be preparing the koftas. See the keema masala without adding water itself. It is nicely cooked. Why I am preparing these koftas today is because once you defrost all the keema, I don't want to keep it back in the freezer. So I prepared it for the next week and kept it now itself. While the tea is getting prepared, let's prepare the dough for the puri. Equal proportion of wheat and maida, to that salt, sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Use lukewarm water and nicely mix it. Finally add little bit of oil and keep it to rest for 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, our tea is also ready. I will just take a small tea break. At this point of time, all my work is almost done. Cake is ready, keema masala is ready, aloo masala is also ready. Now it is tea time while it is still raining. So far, if you have seen the video, I hope you all liked it too. Sure, give a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Also leave a good comment. I will reply to you as soon as possible. In between, I made small balls of the dough and applied whole lot of oil and kept. For making puris, always I use this chapati press. Very easy. You don't need to use rolling pin or use rolling pin and keep flouring. Don't need to do all that hassle. Just press it in that and drop it in the oil. Always oil should be little excess so that the puris will puff up nicely. Even on this chapati press, if it tends to stick, put oil like this and make it more easier for you to press the chapati or the puris this way and easily enjoy puris instantly. One important tip while preparing dough for puri is add baking powder. Definitely no fail, all your puris will definitely puff up. Also splash oil like this over the puri so they will puff up easily. This is a no fail recipe, adding the baking powder. Also, one more important and useful tip is use this kind of chapati press, that is much more easier than rolling in with the rolling pin. Today I have shared 3 recipes. One is puri with tips and tricks, and also I have made Kheema aloo matar masala and our alus, that is aloo masala. In that aloo masala also I have given a wonderful tip of adding the besan, which will double the quantity of your aloo masala. Sure, give it a try. That is a secret tip of every restaurant, I would say. At the same time, do not add too much of that besan also, which will spoil the taste if you add too much. Also, while preparing cake, I showed you how you can prepare the cake before 2 days itself and keep it in fridge so that you will have good time management, especially while you are going to prepare multiple dishes all alone by yourself. This cake was super soft and very yummy. The frosting, that is heavy whipping cream frosting, is also superb. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.